We are in Munising at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, and it is a trail-to-table adventure. We are going to pair this trail out to Miners Falls with Miners Castle and Miners Beach, and then we're going to go into Munising and find the right thing to pair to eat. That's going to be a burger. Let's go do something new. I've never been to Miners Falls.
Such a nice day for us. I'm excited.
There's just so much to explore along all of Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore that each individual section can be its own adventure. And that's really what we're doing today. Starting here with Miners Falls, and then I want to go out to Miners Castle as well. Remember last summer, we saw Miners Castle from the boat, so that will be cool. I love the look out here right now. I always like the first time I can hear a waterfall before I can see it. Wow, this thing is really rushing right now. It has so much power.
Can you picture Bob Ross painting this?
Yeah, Happy Little Trees, I think it's called. Happy Little Trees. Really, and just like that, we're back at the parking lot. I think this is a pretty easy hike to get to a really impressive waterfall. I think it ends up being a 1.2 mile round trip hike.
Yeah, very doable.
A little bit of up and down. And then if you want to get the best view of Miners Falls, you have to go down probably 75 stairs to get to a viewing platform. Wait till you see these views up here.
It's turquoise.
Yeah, the water is so beautiful right now.
Very cool.
Right here, that's the view of Miners Castle. But look at this. Look at this view for the kids to look through.
When the kids get down to this platform, they run right straight to these windows, made just for them.
This is a part of the North Country Trail right behind us here.
Oh, it all connects?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at the water.
This is the best view.
That is incredible.
Yeah, definitely worth hiking all the way to the top platform. I love being on the beach and being able to walk in the water in May in the UP.
I feel like this is the end of this part of the...
We literally can't go any further.
Oh, of the adventure. Let's go get something to eat.
Let's do it.
Our trail-to-table pairing today leads us to A Burger, a place we really enjoy in Munising. Today, we have a burger and also their seasonal whitefish sandwich. Let's start with the burger unboxing. We are unboxing every burger in Michigan, and this is the smoked UP burger from A Burger in Munising. Let's pop the hood. 1/3 pound smashed burger, cherrywood smoked bacon, cheddar cheese, Pit Boss barbecue sauce, lettuce, tomato, onion, dill pickles, and holy wall sauce, which is described as A Burger's epic sauce made from a blend of ketchup, mustard, mayo, and seasonings. This was a great burger that was perfect to enjoy outside on the patio after spending a day on the trails. Next up, we are unboxing the original wild whitefish sandwich. Let's pop the hood on this summer special from A Burger. Fresh, crispy fried Lake Superior whitefish from Van Landschoot and Sons Fish Market with lettuce, tartar sauce, and pickles. When there is a local limited time fish sandwich on the menu, I'm trying it and I'm glad I did.